Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear respected scholars, Muslims and all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Innamal mu'minuna ikhwa. The believers are nothing else than brothers. Wa in istansarukum fi ad-din fa'alaykum an-nasr. If they seek your help in religion, it's your duty to help. My name is Bilal Ibrahim Turkestani. I am from East Turkestan. I am an Uyghur Muslim. Today I would like to raise a very important issue regarding Uyghur students in Egypt who are detained extrajudicially and unlawfully by Egyptian authorities on the demand of Chinese government. Dear respected scholars, my fellow Muslims and you all, my country, the East Turkestan has been occupied by Communist China since 1949. After its occupation, the atheist Chinese government systematically killing Uyghur Muslims and not allowing us to learn Islam. They using all of their available tools and means to prevent us from learning and peacefully practicing Islam, except keeping one or two institutes where they train the imams to work collaboratively for their own communist regime. In order to avoid many obstacles we face in East Turkestan regarding to learn the genuine knowledge of Islam, some of lucky Uyghur students came to Al-Azhar University in Egypt to study, and they are holding the legal Chinese passport and the valid visa to stay in Egypt. But last 2 weeks, the Chinese government extended its evil and shameless hands to our fellow Uyghur students and trying to prevent them from studying Islam in Al-Azhar University, and demand Egyptian authority to arrest them and ask the Egyptian government handed these students over to China in the name of so-called religious extremism. In this moment, more than 120 Uyghur Azhar students are still in Egyptian jail. My dear respected scholars and my fellow Muslim brothers and sisters, we are children of Imam Bukhari, your brothers in Islam. But where is your brotherhood? How you allow East Turkestan to become the second Al-Andalus? Are you allowing the Chinese government keep humiliating and arresting your brothers in your country and send them to death, China? Where is the Muslim brotherhood? Why you are so silent? It isn't your duty to defend them? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam قال, المسلم أخو المسلم لا يظلمه ولا يسلمه ومن كان في حاجته أخيه كان الله في حاجته ومن فرج عن مسلم كربة فرج الله عنه كربة من كربات يوم القيامة ومن ستر مسلما ستره الله يوم القيامة. Allah's Messenger said, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, a Muslim is a brother of another Muslim, so he should not oppress him, nor should he hand him over to an oppressor. Whoever fulfilled the needs of his brother, Allah will fulfill his needs. Whoever brought his Muslim brothers out of a discomfort, Allah will bring him out of the discomforts of day of resurrection. And whoever screened a Muslim, Allah will screen him on the day of resurrection. So, my dear Islamic scholars, Muslims, communities and all, I am here to ask your sincere help, and please talk to your governments and take necessary actions to help those Uyghur students who are unlawfully detained by Egyptian authority and free them from the evil hand with our joint efforts, inshallah. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.